Hi there. Today I'm gonna share our latest batch of 8 indexing sorting machines ready to be shipped out. These machines are built to inspect boards like the ones I have here. And they are equipped with 3 workstations to cover all the inspection requirements. Now let's take a closer look. These machines can handle a range of inspections and measurements, like the presence of blind holes, characters, threads, and also perplating, length, diameter, pitch, and the thread height. With a speed up to 500 pieces per minute, they are actually definitely ideal for efficiency. So what do you say? Don't ever hesitate to reach out to OpenX for your inspection needs.